Hello students, welcome back. The second lecture of the same chapter, chapter 5, Movement Towards Independence. आज़ादी के दौर में हम धीरे धीरे आज़ादी के नज़दीक पहुंचे सर. So movement towards independence. So this is the second lecture. Let us begin with asking the blessing from the Almighty. So today, the first lecture we have seen Simon Commission, Nehru Committee, and demand for independence, the Dandi Yatra, breaking the salt law, and Gandhi Irwin Pacts and Quit India movement. So today, continuing with the page number 33. Please take page number 33. Strikes during Quit India movement. Which are the strikes? The rural and urban regions of the country, including workers, farmers, and youth, students, teachers, businessmen, and women were in forefront of this movement. And the participation from every corner. That means farmers, youth, students, teachers, businessmen, women, everybody is participating in this independence struggle. And 1 lakh mill workers of 75 cotton mill industries in Ahmedabad. Mill workers, cotton mill workers, about 1 lakh participated in this strike, harmful activities during. And which are the harmful activities? There are certain incidents which went out of control. Anger against the British government was being expressed from the every nook and corner of the country. Suppression against the peaceful people by Britishers and led to the violent situation. When you suppress something, suppress the angry, then violent occurred. Then what happened? Failure of the government in crushing the struggle. What happened? The Britishers completely failed to surpass this struggle. The government tried to suppress the movement with the hard, and struggle started from small end to large extent by ransacking the government system. More than 70,000 people were imprisoned. 530 gunshots were fired. 1,028 people lost their lives. 1,000 people died in this movement. Azad Hind Fauj and Subhash Chandra Bose. Then Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Cuttack in Odisha state on 23rd January 1897, and his father Janaki Nath Bose was a government lawyer in the British judiciary. His mother Parvati Devi was a philanthropist. Prediction was that the Bengal land will become the servants of the British. But what happened? Bose went on to become the staunch freedom fighter against the British Empire, and he started and became obedience. He was the top in civil disobedience movements. Then he was arrested under the defense code and joined with Gandhiji. And Gandhiji, and you can see the picture, beautiful picture, Gandhiji and Subhash Chandra Bose. Then started. Then what happened? Then Azad Hind Fauj and independence struggle. After breaking the British security, Subhash Chandra Bose cleverly reached Japan from Berlin in a submarine in 1943. Then moreover, Bhai Bose of Independence League invited Subhash Chandra Bose to be head of this league. Japan would provide every kind of. On July 2, 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose went to Singapore from Japan. There he was elected the president of Indian Independence League on July 4, 1943. So another organization and established in 1943, that is Indian Independence League. Then in his speech, Netaji said on radio, his slogans, Chalo Delhi, let's march to Delhi, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा, give me blood, I will give you freedom. It's a famous slogan given by Subhash Chandra Bose. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा, like give me blood, I will give you freedom. With this skillful guidance, he formed a parallel government. He tried to convince all the Indians to reside in South Asia, sacrifice everything for the struggle of independent India. Then establishment of provisional government by Subhash Chandra Bose. From residing outside the country, then he started to establish the parallel government. Subhash Chandra Bose formed a provisional Indian government. He became its prime minister. He himself formed a provisional government outside India then and became a prime minister. He allotted other departments as companions and formed a cabinet. This government was recognized by Japan, Germany, Italy, and nationalized China and Burma. This government recognized Hindu Hindi as the national language and tricolour as a national flag. It was decided to have income by assisting Japan independent role and property tax. Netaji visited Andaman Nicobar Islands and named it as Sahid, Martyr and Swarajya independent. Then, what is the last step and martyrdom of Subhash Bapu? Then what happened in the last moments of Netaji? In May 1944, under the leadership of Netaji and his military unit captured Rangoon, Prome, Kohima, presently the capital of Nagaland. Then it marched towards the Imphal, now the capital of Manipur. But after he dropping 2 atom bombs at Nagasaki and Hiroshima in Japan, the financial assistance to the government stopped. Then after suffering a great loss to the Hiroshima, Japan, because of the atom bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and Japan suffered a huge loss in their economy. Then at the same time, Netaji's organization also suffered a loss, and British aircraft started warfare against the Azad Hind Fauj. So the condition became critical. On August 18, 1945, he started from Taipei airport to Formosa for Tokyo. It's in Japan now, but his plane caught fire and he got serious burns while undergoing treatment and he died. The mystery of death was remained unsolved. But we know about the case about Netaji is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose died on a plane crash. But still, we didn't get the Netaji's body and whereabouts, where it happened, how it happened. So the real truth behind this plane accident still unsolved. It's a mystery. So that was the end of. But in the history, you can say Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose died on this plane accident. Okay. I think it's enough today. In the second lecture, we will discuss. We have a few more important points in this chapter, and we will continue with the chapter, page number 35, 36, and 37 in next class. And today's format. So from these 3 pages, from 33, 34, and 35. So please complete 15 MCQ question, 1 mark questions, and write down in your notebook and send to me. Take care. Have a nice day.